This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in LibreOffice Impress. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Impress here. I have Impress opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, as you can see, I am currently in light mode. But to change that, I will go up to the top up here, up to the Tools tab. You want to click on Tools. Then you want to go down to the bottom where it says Options and click on Options. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, the very first thing, LibreOffice, you want to make sure that's expanded. And then you want to go down to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. Now in the center part of the dialog box here, it says LibreOffice Themes. As you can see, I am currently in light theme, but you can click this drop down and you can choose between automatic, light, or dark. I'm going to click on dark. And now for a true dark theme, you want to uncheck this center line here. Use white document background. I'm going to uncheck that. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click on Apply. And then I'm going to click on OK. Now it tells me that I have to restart LibreOffice for these settings to take effect. I'm going to click on Restart Now. And as you can see, I am now in dark mode. And to put it back in light mode, I would just follow the same steps. That is how to enable or disable dark mode in LibreOffice Impress. Thanks for watching.